So, but he's got a longer leg to see his knee. You look at Murph's, I couldn't find his
Murph's
knee.
is really swollen too, so